Why AI changes everything for project managers. The new era begins. Welcome to the Project Management 2.0, where AI is no longer a new technology. It's practically a new team member, a team member who works smarter and faster than everyone else. With the advent of AI, every profession is getting redefined, including project management. And here's the truth: the way we used to manage projects is going through a major transformation. There are two big sides of how AI is transforming our world as project managers. Side one: AI for project managers. This is all about boosting your productivity. AI helps you create documents faster, summarize your reports, extract insights from project data, improve your communication, automate status updates, you create your RAID logs, you define your lessons learned using AI. Basically, you get a digital copilot. This is like giving every project manager an assistant who does all the heavy lifting for you. If you want to go deeper into, you can grab my book, A Project Manager's Daily AI Handbook. I'll leave the link below. And on the second side, how to manage AI projects. The second side is the opposite. It's about managing AI projects themselves, because we know AI projects are drastically different from traditional IT projects, because AI projects are more experimental in nature. And this is where things change drastically. AI projects are iterative, they depend heavily on data. They are data centric, they are experimental, and their success metrics are probabilistic, not binary. Frameworks like PMI, CPMI, and CRISP-DM exist because traditional methods doesn't work in AI projects. We'll learn both the sides in this channel. We'll look at how to improve productivity using AI. We'll also look at what are the different steps and how we manage an AI project. We'll take real life examples and run through start to the end, starting from business understanding to your model deployment. And trust me, I'm not claiming to be an AI guru. Neither I am claiming to be Andrew Ng. I am learning along the way just like you. But I have managed multiple AI projects and I will share everything I know. So if you are ready to stay ahead of the curve, hit the subscribe button, drop a comment, and let's build a community of AI empowered project managers together. Stay AI savvy, stay ahead.